Pensacola, Florida. Absolutely beautiful beach. A trip with my uncle. Jamming to music. Reconnecting after a year. So much growth as humans. Each dealing with our own shit. The good, the bad. Yet, we continue. A historic fort. Fort Pickens your nose. Can see flashes of past violence. Lessons learned. Bloodshed. It never has a reason, because it is never acceptable. Leave violence in the past. Embrace love and goofiness. When words are added, it feels like they lessen the experience. I wish to share raw experience, not some idea in my head. I'm constantly in pain due to chronic health issues. How can I share this with the world in a way that is valuable? Every second I have a signal basically poking me and telling me about the various pains. Yet, I still live. I live for others. I live for something more. Unemployed, beaten down, health at its worst, mind at its best, spirit leading the way. Can endure any experience. No force needed. Relinquish control and paths open. Taking advice. Experimenting with antihistamines for pain. Experimenting with various symptoms to find the root cause. Experimenting in every facet of life. I can come up with optimal solutions and experiments to a limit, and I will continue to do so. However, what if you experiment with leaving the optimal solutions after your personal limit to God, to the universe? Worth a shot. Jazz, cities, humanity, social interaction. Halloween, spooky, fun. Appreciating the moment. In the end, all you really need is love.